We now return to the mighty boring Shower Strangers.
Go, go, Shower Strangers! Mighty boring Shower Strangers!
I'm sorry, stranger. Do I know you?
You look familiar, but nah, can't quite place you. Who are you?
I don't know. Never seen you.
Nope.
Never met any of you before in my life.
Oh, well.
So we don't know each other. Shower Strangers, unite! Let's clean up this town.
Look out! Soap's gone!
Elmo, that mighty boring Shower Stranger show really riles Sharky up. Every time he watches it, he ends up karate chopping stuff and hurting himself.
Well, you know what I say. Any show that riles folks up and brings about destructive thoughts and puts dangerous ideas into their young minds needs to be taken off the air. Now, if you'll excuse me.
We now return to Rush Limbaugh.
Gee, Sharky doesn't really seem to understand that martial arts are a defensive tool, not an offensive tool. Until he understands that, he's just going to keep on hurting himself, unless...
Coming soon to a theater near you, Rong Sarong in Hong Kong, starring 5-time undefeated Taekwondo champion, Cynthia Rothrock.
Excuse me, but yesterday I picked up some dry cleaning and, well, along with this stuff, I found this sarong, which isn't mine.
Are you calling me a liar?
No, it's not mine.
You have insulted my family's honor!
Sheesh. Every week I gotta go through this.
Rong Sarong in Hong Kong, coming soon.
Yeah! Hey, Sharky, look who's here!
Here, Sharky, let me give you a hand.
This is Cynthia Rothrock, Sharky. She's an expert at martial arts.
So, Sharky, Eek tells me you want to learn about martial arts. Do you mind if I ask you why? Well, I'm not sure using martial arts to help you kick one particularly annoying bloated purple cat to kingdom come and beyond is a legitimate use of these ancient arts, Sharky.
Annoying purple cat? I wonder who... No, maybe...
Martial arts should be used to strengthen the mind as well as strengthen the body, and should only be used to protect yourself, not to hurt others. Come on, I'll show you.
Hey, mind if I come too? I want to learn about the arts too. I love to paint. One time I finger painted my whole house.
Sure, Eek. You could be a big help.
Snatch the dog biscuit from my paw. When you can snatch the biscuit from my paw, then you are ready. Now, for my teachings.
See, Sharky? This isn't so hard. Whoa! Gee, Sharky, this art of Tai Chi is really relaxing, isn't it? I feel so at peace, so at one with myself, so... Oh, sorry, I burned down the Master Mongrel's castle.
Now, you are ready.
So you see, Eek and Sharky, being at peace with yourself is the key to self-defense. Take the gentle swimming of the poi fish. The fish push the water aside. The poi doesn't fight the water, and so it peacefully floats through its life.
Those poi sure can't swim. Huh?
The butterfly doesn't fight the air. He works with the air, lets it flow through his wings, hence it flies. So you see, Sharky, instigated by... Huh? Uh-oh, Sharky! It looks like Eek fell in the poi pond.
Thanks, Cynthia. I must have slipped. Boy, am I clumsy.
Come on, you two. We better get back to the master's teaching.
Sharky wants to know if, with all this inner peace and tranquility, if the life of a martial arts master such as yourself ever gets dangerous.
Oh, sure. Sometimes someone's family's honor gets insulted by you, or someone in your family even thousands of years ago. And some member of the insulted Kung Fu dynasty will sometimes appear to kidnap you. But you know, those kind of things are rare.
You, Cynthia Rothrock, your great-great-grandfather insulted my family's honor. For that, you must pay.
Here we go again.
Cynthia Rothrock has been kidnapped by nefarious forces. We'd better split up to search for her. Cynthia, hello?
Who's the dog who would chase his tail for another dog?
Sharky!
Right on. Who's the dog who would freak out when he finds Eek's all about?
Sharky!
You dig it? You say this dog Sharky's a mean four-legged? I'm just talking about Sharky. He's an irritated dog, and no one understands him but his owner. Sharky.
I'm out of here. Later! I haven't seen her, man! I swear I haven't! Why did I run? I thought you were gonna ask me for that $5 I owe you, man! Oh, man!
I didn't have any luck either, Sharky. I hope Cynthia's okay. Kumbaya, Sharky! The only place we haven't checked is that foreboding castle on the mountaintop. That looks like a place where a crazed ninja with vengeance on his mind would live, but, well, she's probably not up there.
Help! Sharky!
Hey, Sharky, when you get a chance, could you toss down a... Actually, I wanted a breath mint, but I appreciate the thought.
Must live to watch Melrose Place.
You need my help? Well, of course, Sharky. It never hurts to help. What can I do? Now!
Oh, I told you we shouldn't have put on those beastly clothes.
Must you go on, Biggie?
We have no place playing with swords. We could have been hurt.
Shut up, Biggie!
Kumbaya, Sharky! Looks like you did fine without me. You're becoming quite a martial arts master. Come on, let's go! Hello, my name's Zeke and I... Cynthia!
Oh, Eek, I've really twisted my ankle and can't join you and Sharky in your heroic fight to save me.
Well, I'm afraid I'm not much help either, because, well, my head's stuck in the wall.
That means only Sharky can help us.
Whoever touched the shark dog must answer to me, Fabio. Hey, let me help you with that.
Hey, Sharky! Fabio! Thanks for saving us.
It was lucky I was in the area. I happened to visit my mom. She lives next door. When I heard your cries. And you? Are you okay?
Well, sure I am. Although my ankle still kind of hurts. I twisted it hours ago and it just won't heal.
Hours ago? I can't believe it's no better.
But don't you worry about me. I can still walk out of here. Come on.
Bye. Thanks for the adventure. Boy, that Fabio and Cynthia Rothrock sure are swell. Huh? I love happy endings.